Now we can do a short exercise wherein you will supply words or an object to complete the sentence. Okay? And that's what we are going to do. An interesting exercise. Complete the following. Complete these sentences by supplying suitable objects. So what are you going to do? You're going to complete the sentence together and you have to supply suitable objects. Okay, a short exercise. She broke most boys dislike he is making. We have to complete all this. Okay? The thief stole he bought he bought the sun gives the sun gives a carpenter makes. I wrote he killed. The cat caught. Most girls like. He won. Now, we have here sentences to be complete and you need to supply objects. Okay, the first one, you can write anything. It says here, she broke. You can write anything. She broke a furniture, she broke a cup or plate or glass, anything. So what would you like to write? She broke a, very good, a cup. When you supplied an object, the sentence is complete. In the second one, you have most boys dislike. What is that most boys dislike? You can write anything. You can say most boys dislike, say studies, or you can say most boys dislike reading. If you ask them to read something they don't like. You like to do what you want to play. Third one we have, he is making. You can make anything. What is he making? He is making biscuits or cake, or he is making a sand castle. Whatever you want, you can write. So he is making a dress, maybe a tailor, anything. You can supply any object. The third we have, the thief stole. What can a thief stole? A car. Yes, very good. Next we have, he bought. What did he go and buy? He bought a bike, he bought a car, or he bought a toy. Very good. Any toy. Completed. Next one. The sun gives. What the sun gives? The sun gives light, or sun gives heat. Heat and light, or one or two, whatever you can write. So it's completed. And the next we have here is the carpenter makes. What does the carpenter make? Carpenter makes furniture, carpenter makes toys, whatever. So you will write the carpenter makes furnitures, makes furniture. Carpenter makes furnitures. I wrote. What did you write? What can you write? I wrote. You can say, I wrote a story. I wrote a poem. I wrote a letter, whatever. Then next we have here, he killed. What could he have been killing? He killed a spider. He killed a spider. Very good. He killed a spider or a snake or a bird. The cat caught. What is the cat caught? A very good, a mouse. The cat caught a mouse. So that's completed. Most girls like. What are the most girls like? They like dolls. Most girls like dolls. He won. What did he win? He won a match, or he won a medal. He won a match, or he won a medal, something that he won. Now, look at all the sentences. What have we done? Complete the sentences by supplying an object. That's what we have done. Okay? We supplied objects so that the sentence is complete. And that's what we have done. We said, she broke. We supplied a cup. Most boys dislike reading. He is making a dress. The thief stole a car. He bought a toy. The sun gives light. A carpenter makes furnitures. He wrote a poem. He killed a spider. The cat caught a mouse. And most girls like dolls, and he won a medal. Now, in this exercise, we learn to supply suitable objects to complete the sentence.